Hello, I'm Elisa Liggett, Executive Director of Student Conduct and Academic Integrity. At the University of South Carolina, we have a set of behavioral codes called the Student Code of Conduct to address offenses such as alcohol and drugs, and an honor code to address offenses like plagiarism and cheating. You're probably watching this video because you're coming to see us. I know you don't want to, but we also know that people make mistakes. The true test of character, though, is what they do about it. What you decide to do about it before and during your hearing can affect the outcome of your hearing. The fact that you're watching this video is a wise first step. This video is intended to help you learn more about the process. Our goal is for you to feel prepared during your hearing so that our interactions can be genuine and productive. Alleged violations of the Student Code of Conduct that occur both on and off campus are reported to Student Conduct. Anyone who witnesses a potential violation is urged to report it to ensure the safety of our community. Incident reports can be generated by anyone, including the police, a witness in the residence halls, a faculty or staff member, or another student. When a report is filed, students involved will be notified via their USC-issued email address of a meeting time with a conduct administrator. If there are documents or witnesses directly related to your incident, please bring the documentation and have the witnesses accompany you to your meeting. Additionally, students can be accompanied by an advisor such as a mentor, attorney, or parent if it makes the student feel more comfortable. So, what happens in a hearing? Student meets one-on-one with a conduct administrator to talk about the incident. First, we want to get to know you beyond what is on the incident report. Then, you'll be asked to share your thoughts as to what happened during the incident. From there, you and your conduct administrator will talk through decisions made during the incident and what lessons can be learned for the future. Remember, during your hearing, sharing honestly is key. To prepare, think about our shared university values that are encompassed in the Carolinian Creed. You may be asked how your decisions during this incident did or did not embody the tenets of our creed.
Christian, when you think about our shared Carolinian Creed and the tenets of that creed, how do you believe your actions that night did or did not embody those tenets?
The one that kind of always stands out to me is I'll practice personal academic integrity. The academic integrity one doesn't really apply to this. But I was trying to behave with good morals and uphold myself to the utmost integrity I can. But peer pressure kind of got the best of me that night.
It is against the Code of Conduct, as you know, to consume alcohol under 21 or to have a fake ID. Do you believe that you're in violation of the Student Code of Conduct?
Yes, I did break them.
Then we're going to take a look at what should be done and what I want to find out from you a little bit more about what you think will help this situation.
Then, a decision is made. A decision about whether a student has violated the Student Code of Conduct or the Academic Honor Code is evidence-based. If there is no evidence to support an allegation, no action will be taken. Since this is not a legal process, but an educational process, we use a common sense standard of evidence called the preponderance of the evidence. The threshold is whether the evidence or information gathered indicates that it is more likely than not that a violation occurred.
Christian, now that we've discussed the sanctions and what we hope to achieve with those sanctions, are there any questions that I can answer for you about them?
Everything seems pretty clear.
Good. You still have an option though to decide whether or not you want to agree to this or go to a panel. So the Carolina Judicial Council can rehear your case, and it's 3 students and 2 faculty and staff members, and then they would make the ultimate decision because we feel like a student-heavy panel should be the ultimate deciding factor for a student's behavior.
Okay.
You can choose which of those 2 you're most comfortable with and then sign there.
If you agree that your actions violated the Student Code of Conduct or the Honor Code, the incident is resolved in this first meeting. In most cases, students both accept responsibility and agree to the sanctions or consequences suggested by the conduct administrator. If alleged students do not agree that there is enough information indicating they violated the code, or if the student does not agree with the sanctions, they have the opportunity to have their case heard by the Carolina Judicial Council. The Carolina Judicial Council is made up of USC students, faculty, and staff. 5 members hear the case in a more formal setting and make the final determination regarding responsibility and sanctions. For more information about this process, please visit the Carolina Judicial Council section of our website. At this point, you might be wondering, what kind of sanctions do students receive? Sanctions vary from case to case, but usually closely align with the type of violation. Sanctions are designed to be educational and to deter future violations. Typical sanctions may include workshops about alcohol or conflict resolution, screenings for alcohol or drug use, personal reflection assignments, and/or probation. The goal of the conduct process is to help students learn from an incident by examining how and why decisions were made and how those decisions align with their personal values. If you have further questions about the conduct or academic integrity process, we hope you will call us or reference the Frequently Asked Questions page on our website. Remember the Carolinian Creed. Its shared values call each of us to make USC a safe, positive, and productive place to live and learn.